Oh, look what I found. Found somebody's little digging tool. That's a perfect one. I think I can give this to, I won't even say any names. Well, I'll tell you what, folks. I've been looking for this thing. I found it about a half hour ago. I didn't mark it. I was about a half a mile away, and oh my goodness. When I come back with the camera, I didn't think I was ever going to find this. That's a pretty cool point. Neat colors. But I got something way better to show you. If I can. I didn't mark it either, but it's white, so I'll be able to see it. Look at here, folks. That is a beauty. They don't get much better than that. And I'll clean it up, or show it to you on the cleanup. Man, that makes it a nice day. Look at them white legs. One of these days you'd think they'd get a tan. Later. Well, I'm glad I got out early. The actual air temperature is 104 right now. I don't know what it is out in the sun over there, but this is kind of a purplish. I'm gonna go over here in the sun. It's got some neat colors. I found it and then I went back to get it and I hadn't marked it, and man, it's about the same color as the mud. I didn't think I was ever gonna find it again. And then look at this sweet one. The wind's about to blow it away. At least we do got a breeze. That is just spectacular. Pretty happy with the day. Oh my goodness. That doggone scarecrow. He is keeping away all the birds. All right. Later days.